This is the worst thing I've ever seen.
No way! It's the Flippy Station! Hi! Oh, hi there!
Why don't we turn the volume down?
I'd
Doesn't need to
happy
be
help.
this loud.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. So much
Blippi! Oh, Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're in the playroom. Come on! Oh, wow, look at this, a ball pit. So many balls. I wonder what color we've got in here. We've got a blue ball and a white ball. Awesome. Wow, a rocking horse. Super fun. Nay, nay, nay. Awesome. Wow, look at this. Dinosaur. With here we've got a Tyrannosaurus Rex.